Hi guys, my name is Sam Spielmaker. I am the Sales and Technical Support Coordinator here at Flow-Ray Controls. Today I'm at our Flow-Ray facility and I'm going to show you how to install an Eagle Eye in-valve level sensor in just a few easy steps. Now that you've installed your single point watering system, this would be a great time to add a level sensor. Our Eagle Eye sensors accurately monitor and display the status of our cell electrolyte levels with green and red lights. Step 1. Locate your battery posts, positive and negative. Place the probe as close to the center of the pack as possible. The probe cannot be installed within 3 cells from a battery post. Step 2. Select a valve from a cell located near the center of the battery. Remove the swivel T and valve. Step 3. Replace the sensor valve as shown. Use care when helping the probe find its way into the cell. Step 4. Rotate clockwise to lock the valve in place and reinstall the swivel T. If this is a new install, connect the swivel T to the valve and connect tubing. Step 5. Secure the control box with a zip tie provided in a secure location. Do not secure to watering system tubing. Step 6. Take the cover off the first inner cell connector available on each end for placing the red and black wires. We recommend powering over the entire battery up to 48 volts. Step 7. Attach the red wire to the positive post of the battery and the black wire to the negative post of the battery. Screw into inner cell connector as shown. Ensuring that the screw is securely drilled into the inner cell connector, be careful not to strip the lead. Step 8. Apply no-ox grease to cover entire terminal and screw head. Reinstall the inner cell connector cover. Step 9. Position the LED light in a visible location and attach with the provided zip tie. Do not place on hose or side handles. Now your installation of the Eagle Eye in-valve level sensor is complete. If you have any questions, please contact me, our customer service team, or our sales rep. Also visit our website at flowray.com for additional information. Thanks for watching.